everyone, it's World AIDS Day, so we thought we'd like to talk to you today a little bit about what World AIDS Day means. My name's Dr. Sophie Forsyth.
My name's Dr. Jessica Daniel.
And we're both consultants who work at the Great Western Hospital and Swindon Health Centre, and we look after people who are living with HIV. So we're going to talk about some of the myths around HIV and hopefully bust some of those myths. So yeah, Jess, what kind of things do you think people ask about?
Well, I know that some of my patients are really worried that if they were to get a positive HIV diagnosis, that would not only be the end to their sex life, but potentially, it's a death sentence, and people really worry about that.
Yeah, definitely. And we know that, back in the early 80s, that was the case, and maybe people have been watching things like It's a Sin and been kind of influenced by that. But actually now we've got really amazing, excellent treatments for HIV, which means that if you're on treatment and you're taking it regularly, you can have a normal life expectancy and live a really healthy, full life. And that also means that you can't pass HIV on. So you can't pass it on to a sexual partner, you can't pass it on to a baby. And so that's really, really important. And it means that, you can have a very full life and a healthy sex life as well.
Yeah. I know, because I know a lot of patients do worry. You mentioned about having a baby, that again, they're not going to be able to get pregnant or have a baby, or that their baby might be infected with HIV.
Yeah. And again, before we had really good treatments, that did sometimes happen. But now, again, if you're on treatment, you cannot pass on HIV to your baby. So lots of our patients have children. So Jess, if people do want to get an HIV test, how would they best go about that if they live in Swindon?
So we have a clinic at Swindon Health Centre, which is in the centre of town on Islington Street. So please give us a call to either book an appointment, or you can look on our website. We do have walk-in clinics several times a week as well. The other option is that some people can order a test online. So again, you can look at the link on our Swindon Sexual Health website, and you may be eligible to order a free online test.
Say you have a test and you test negative, but you really want to reduce your risk of getting HIV and stay healthy for the future. Is there anything you can do to sort of make yourself safer?
Yeah, I mean, definitely. I think everyone probably knows about condoms, but sometimes people have difficulty maybe accessing condoms or using condoms for a variety of different reasons. So one of the other prevention methods that we have available is something called PrEP, or pre-exposure prophylaxis, for HIV. And that's a tablet that you can either take every single day, or you take around the time you're having sex. And if you take it correctly, it's almost 100% effective at preventing HIV acquisition.
So hopefully today we've given you some information about HIV, and everyone will be thinking about people living with HIV on World AIDS Day. Bye!